Hello everyone, welcome to the how to channel. On today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled. Now guys, when you head over to your Snapchat, as you can see here, I can easily do what I want. I can send snaps, I could create stories, but when your Snapchat gives you the error message that your Snapchat has been disabled, now here is how you can fix it. Now guys, the first thing you want to do is to head over to any browser of your choice. For today I'm going to be using my Google Chrome and type is Snapchat down. Now guys, you just want to go over the results that Google has provided you with. Now if there's a huge spike of reports that Snapchat is down, then that might be the cause of why you are getting the error message that your Snapchat has been disabled. Now all you need to do is to give it a little time and your Snapchat should be back. Now the second thing you want to do is to wait for a little while. Now guys, sometimes, for instance, you could be typing in a wrong password on your Snapchat and Snapchat temporarily disables your account. In that kind of scenario, typing in a wrong password becomes a trigger for your error message. So you might just want to wait for a while as a way of Snapchat making you take a break before you try it again. And when you try it again, your Snapchat should be back to normal. Now, another reason why Snapchat is sending you the error message that your account has been temporarily disabled is because your Snapchat is not up to date. You're just going to head over to your App Store or your Play Store. And now guys, I'm going to come over here and type on Snapchat. Now make sure if you have any updates, you update it to the latest version. And this is because Snapchat doesn't support old versions over time. So that might be the cause why your Snapchat was disabled. So you go into your App Store or your Play Store and make sure you update your Snapchat application. And this is how you can fix your Snapchat temporarily being disabled. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe to the how to channel. I'll see you next time on our next video. Bye.